I don't want to consider myself a clean girl.
I feel like Gabby's gonna struggle with the clean girl makeup.
I don't have a lot of eyebrow to work with.
She's like in a 2016 time machine. She loves that bake down.
Would I go back to that makeup and hair? Absolutely not.
Hey guys, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Gabby.
And this year there's been the rise of the clean girl, aka the clean girl aesthetic. The clean girl starter kit consists of minimal glowy makeup, slicked back hair, and a neutral color palette.
This is just another one of those trends that will probably change by next year. No one claims the clean girl aesthetic, but it got popular through celebrities like Sofia Richie, Hailey Bieber, Bella Hadid. This style consists of sets, athleisure, loungewear, basically like you're not trying to look good, but you're looking good while doing it, if that even makes sense.
You guys know me and Gabby have opposite styles. I lean a little more grungy.
My style is obviously very fancy.
So we thought it would be fun to see us both try the same aesthetic and see which twin does it better.
Keep watching and see who wins.
Let's get into the video. Something I have recently started doing is I swapped out my Neutrogena makeup wipes for my cellar water and these cotton pads. And I'm just learning the technique that clean girls are spreading online, and that is to blow on your makeup pad after you put the micellar water on it, and it's pillowy. Whoa. We're getting clean. So the clean girlies love their serums. I'm using the Caudalie Vino Perfect Serum. I swear by this. We're gonna do the MAC Hyper Real Serumizer. Lather it up, ladies. We're gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Now we are going to massage our face to depuff and look snatched, because that's what the clean girls are doing lately. And honestly, I do see a difference when I gouache on my face and when I don't. Now, this is when we go into our makeup and finish the clean girl makeup look. And yes, this is part of the makeup look.
So first I'm gonna do my clean girl skincare routine. Honestly, I don't want to consider myself a clean girl. I don't even know how to be that aesthetic without being walked through on TikTok, but I feel like my skincare routine could be considered clean girl. So actually, I take that back. I don't feel like clean girls use makeup wipes. I feel like they have like their micellar water,
Micellar water, and these cotton pads.
I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm gonna take my makeup off with makeup wipes because that's just who I am. So after using my makeup wipe, I'm using my Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm to like help the makeup that's still left on my face get off. I don't solely rely on makeup wipes. For my cleanser, I actually use my Clarifying Cleansing Gel by Kylie Skin. I love her skin products. They're to the point, they're very simple. Next is my Braley Rose Eye Mask. I'm using the day cream because it's the day. Last but not least, I'm using my MAC Hyper Real Serumizer. I'm all dewy and I'm ready for my clean girl makeup.
Okay, so for the clean girl makeup, the bushy, feathery brows are the thing. The whole point is to look natural, so you don't want to do like the dip brow, Anastasia dip brow thing that we did in 2016. Next is skin. This is the technique that I've been seeing everywhere on TikTok, where you actually start with what you would usually put on top of your foundation. Also, I noticed a makeup trend of 2023 is all liquid makeup. Going in with the liquid blush because liquid everything. As far as eyes go, they go in with their bronzer into the crease, and it just like makes everything just match, and it's a way to like contour your eyes to look naturally lifted and not looking like you're like lathering on the eyeshadow to create that effect. It's all about looking like you naturally look like this. It's crazy. But it still takes obviously so much effort. I feel like Gabby's gonna struggle with the clean girl makeup. She's like in a 2016 time machine. She loves that bake down. So to line their lids, slightly wing up the ends of their eye with a very natural brown eyeshadow color. And then just go in with like a clear gloss. And just like that, we are done. Clean girl makeup, check.
Hey guys, so I'm going to do the hairstyle first. I'm gonna do that like middle part lifted like ponytail with a clippy thing. I don't know, I sound so old. Nikki told me I should do a clippy, but I think I want to do a ponytail or a bun, like a ballerina bun, like the Pilates princess look. Ta-da! Do I look clean yet? Okay, now let's follow this tutorial. I don't have a lot of eyebrow to work with, so I still have to fill in my brows, even if I'm going to be doing that feather brow look. Homegirl does not contour her nose once, and even though I got my nose done, it's just like my biggest insecurity, so I have to do a little something something. So my eyelashes are very long. I promise I'm not wearing any lash extensions or fake lashes. It's just like how they are. Needless to say, I feel like I should start wearing my natural lashes without winged liner more often. I kind of am loving this look, but that's another insecurity of mine. Just like I feel like I hide behind winged liner. This challenge is good for me. It's opening my eyes to other things I could be doing.
Okay, so now it's time to do the clean girl hair. Hair oil we go. Okay. Oh my God. I didn't shower for weeks. We're gonna go in with some gel. I also have the iconic stick that everybody uses on TikTok. It's really cute, kind of. And you know what's crazy? This is hair oil, so after wearing my hair like this for a day, my hair is gonna be like healthier. I kind of like it. I've never done this before. It looks like you're like fresh out of the shower all day. All right guys, now last but not least, we gotta put on our clean girl outfit and swap out our jewelry because apparently it's all about the gold jewelry. So let's go upstairs to my closet and let's transform. Okay, so the clean girl aesthetic is known for gold jewelry, not silver. You guys know I'm a silver girly. I got me some gold hoops. These are a staple in the clean girl wardrobe. I also have some gold rings. I did look up some videos and some girls were saying stay away from like chunky, gaudy pieces. It's about like dainty and overall collecting all the pieces on you. I have to take off all my silver jewelry. My rings. Oh, that's cute. Okay, we're clean girl approved now with the jewelry. It's weird looking down and seeing gold. Okay, now let's get into the outfit. I have been heavily featuring this. I love this so much. It's from Free People and it's a workout onesie that looks like a ballerina leotard with a skirt. And I'm gonna wear this, it's called the Angel Wing jacket, I believe. Maybe like wear it off the shoulder a little bit. With that being said, let's go have our little photo shoot. So now that we have the photos, I'm gonna be editing them and posting them to Instagram, and let's see how it does. I noticed that a lot of girls were wearing these one-piece workout sets with like a little shrug that matched their white sneakers. I don't know if I wanna go black, only because I wear black all the time. I also saw the like bedroom loungy boxer short with the sports bra. So I thought that would be a vibe. I feel like I want to lean into the black outfit for this just because this is identical to a Pinterest photo. All right, guys, this is the final look. I really feel like all together it's giving the vibes it needs to give for the Instagram photo that we have to take in this video. But I do have to say, I really do feel like I'm ready to be productive in this outfit. Like I'm actually getting it now. Feeling clean makes you want to eat clean, makes you want to be healthy, makes you want to work out, makes you want to be productive. That's why it's not just an aesthetic, it's a lifestyle. That's what everybody says on TikTok. Let's go downstairs and let's take our clean girl photo. Oh, and we gotta finish off the look with our Sol de Janeiro spray. Every clean girl loves this. The Sol de Janeiro is always sold out at Sephora. Oh, we got it. I just took my Instagram photo and we're gonna post it, and then we'll see how it does, what the feedback is, and then we'll regroup and see which sister was the better clean girl. So let's go to Instagram.
Nikki, I loved your take on clean girl and the glam. Honestly, you're very talented at doing clean girl makeup.
Whoa, a compliment!
I must say, Nikki, the reason I chose this photo and it's far away and I'm looking down is because I did not like my makeup for clean girl. Like,
you look so good. What the?
It's just not my vibe, you know? It may look good on me, but I don't. It's
We're
not my vibe.
gonna insert this photo here.
I'm used to ba-ba boom, boom, hair in the wind, like wings.
You were definitely giving Sophia Richie vibes. Okay, let's look at the feedback. Someone said Nikki in her clean girl aesthetic era. Is she a clean girl aesthetic now? Someone caught on. It's giving model, it's giving professional headshots. I did get a lot of comments from like influencers like Cassie Diamond, Caitlin Ray, Natalie's Outlet. People love the clean girl. How did yours do?
Hear me out. It didn't perform well with engagement because people aren't looking for me to be trendy. They're not looking for me to be in athleisure.
I really think you should post that other photo. It's really cute.
I genuinely just do what makes me feel best. I love a good face beat.
I personally give my experience like a literal 10 out of 10. I felt like it was checking every box for me.
I had a very, very good experience trying the clean girl aesthetic, but would I go back to that makeup and hair? Absolutely not.
Would I go back to that makeup and hair? Yes, I think that's my new go-to hairstyle. Comment down below who you guys think nailed the clean girl better.
And just so you guys know, we're not trying to like one up the other twin. We just know that you guys love a good competition. Healthy competition. Let us know in the comments down below if you want to see like our sister controls what we look like for a day type vibe, because
we should do living a day like when we were in high school and doing our hobbies.
That would be funny. That's it for this video.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, press the bell, let us know what you want to see this summer.
We have new music coming out this month. Make sure to check out our Spotifys.
Yeah, our Spotifys and our vlog channels. We post a lot about that there too, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.